Hi, everyone. This is Steve from IPFSUNION. Um, it's our great honor to be invited to join this meeting. So first of all, I would like to give my warmest uh, greetings and congratulations to the Filecoin team and every members in the community because we have a very successful liftoff, and it's like a really long time hard work together to make this happen. IPFSUNION is a decentralized storage solution providers, and we are also a big miner in the Filecoin team, Filecoin mainnet. And here is some company's overview. And uh, I will give a very short introduction about us. So um, we are a leading global decentralized storage solution providers, and we have really a lot of talent come from different industries, such as the hardware industry. We have colleagues come from AMD and NVIDIA, and also from Microsoft, and also coming from Huawei, Alibaba Cloud, and Tencent. So they have really abundant of experience to really work out something in this business. And also, our team has decades experience in IDC deployment and the massive server cluster framework. So all of this is, how to say that, all of this talent working together to make what IPFSUNION great. Here's some very few picture about our companies. So you can see some, we have a group of people working very hard. And here is some front decks of our developing center and also our corporate center. During the Space Race 1 and Space Race 2, we are currently running 4 nodes with the information is above. And for the T023530 and the TO21479, these 2 nodes power is increasing to around 7P. So it's a very considerable increase. And in total, I think we have reached 30P's power right now. And we have a lot of hardwares on the way. And to help with some miner ecosystem, we also have developed our blockchain browser, which is called Filescot. And we are now trying to make it even user-friendly. And we have like 5 languages supported. So people from different countries can use it very easy. And in addition, we also have our Starpool apps, which is mining management applications. So every miners can understand and to access to their miners very easily, and they can say like how many miners do you have, and what how much Filecoins output every day. And also if they would like to do some lending and other financial things, they can also access to these financial providers via our applications. So we're really trying to make it not only a mining management applications for IPFSUNION, but for the entire industry. So that's basically what we are planning to do right now. And coming to the mining part, of course, we have like 3 major improvements for, we call it as mining solutions. And the first one is scheduling restriction. So we really we really deep dive the official code and refine part of the code module by elaborately splitting different parts. So we can improve the overall efficiency. The second improvement is process control. So we're introducing many middleware such as MySQL and the message queue to control mining process accurately. So it's more adaptable to complex and variable operation environment. And the third one is establish continuously improved maintenance and operation platform, because as we all understand that the Filecoin is very ambitious to apply it in the real business scenario. So the maintenance is quite important, or even I guess it's the maintenance is the most important to make this happen. So we really emphasize the maintenance and operation platform. In this platform, we have log analyze and network safety warning and other integrated monitoring system. So to really have the helicopter view of the entire system, and we also apply the automation deployment and the more function self-healing. So to make the our nodes working perfectly. Coming to the next page is our system structure. As you may say, it's a four-layer structures, which also try to increase the system robustness and flexibility and extendabilities. So first layer is a calculation cluster, which using to seal data and to create valid data storage. The second cluster is we call it acceleration cluster. So we do GPU outsource and to accelerate the power growth. The third one is the storage cluster. So we really have a developer group to develop a very high performance file system and at very high cost. But while we have this investment to make this file system, is we think is more like, let's say, extendable and more safety. So we really do some hard works in this cluster. And the least but the last but not the least is a high-speed network. As I mentioned before, we have really good relationships with global IDC and data center providers. So we try to see to get as much as fast as we can to make the network connection very fast and the transmission very efficiency. So so coming to the storage solutions, I also like to emphasize that because the growth of the global data storage and the Filecoin mining system, mainnet, is very fast. So we have designed a step-by-step iteration plan to ensure the data storage efficiency. And you can see there is a 3-point here. The first one is MFS. So we use a decentralized file system called MooseFS, which have very redundancy functions. And we have already applied it in 2 of our nodes and will be implement them to more if everything goes fine. And the second one is the self-developed file system, as I mentioned in last page. So this file system, even it cost a lot of fortune, but it's really a have a long-term stability, and we have a long-term vision to go together with Filecoin and make the IPFS technology be applied in the real business case. So we think it's very worthy to do the file system instead of just using some existing software. And the last one is to make such business application become true, and as for and everyone understands that we are now looking at the verifier mechanism in the Filecoin system. So we're really trying to get some really real data into the Filecoin mainnet. So we have built a very strong cooperation with cloud service providers. In China, the major three cloud service provider like Alibaba Cloud, Tencent, and also some second-tier cloud providers such as Qiniu and Kingsoft. We have built a very strong relationship with them, so we can, let's say, try to ask them to put their data in our server or in our miner. So, and by doing so, we can make the Filecoin's export economy become true. So that's what we are doing right now. And to wrap it up, we have we have like 4 advantages in the overall mining operation and maintenance system. So first is automation deployment, which saves us a lot of human works. The second one is a log analyze platform. So we basically record everything in our system, so any potential risks can be identified and to be mitigated. So the third one is warning, restraint, and more function self-healing. This part we using some very mature technology and to make these things happen, and also let's say save us a lot of time to keep monitoring the entire system and solve the problems. And the third one is network safety warning platform, which also a very basic in the cloud service or in the IDC industry. But we also try to use this enterprise level service into our into our nodes, into our service. And the last one is a comprehensive monitoring system. Like I said, we're monitoring everything to really try to lower the potential risk as low as possible. Yes. And coming to this page, it's a photo, a real photo about our monitoring screens, which might give you some real feeling about how this entire operation and maintenance and monitoring system works. So you can see a lot of information from this screen, like like the location of the Filecoin nodes, like the every data we are trying to monitoring extra. In this page is some pictures about our IDC, or you call it data center. So we have currently run 3 T4 level data center in China, and we are working on more right now. So so currently we have like 200 IDC resource globally, some of them in European, in Singapore, Japan, American, extra, and we have like have a very incomparable advantages in this area. So we really can get the fastest network connection and the lowest band price right now. so which reduce our say operation cost, and also because all these cloud service providers need IDC resource. So they can also refer our service or refer our company to this cloud service. So we can build even more connection together with our potential customers. So that's basically what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to introduce. Oh, and one more last page. I'm sorry. Is to wrap up our advantages. So first, our advantage is like high performance hardware product. So right now we have a tailor-made hardware product, which with the best investment return rate in the industry, which is very important for miners and also for the investors. These products are also available for both individual customer and the enterprise customers. So if you are like enterprise customers, we can give you a whole pack of solutions to really build your own nodes very quick in the Filecoin system. And the second one is excellent technology development and platform operation ability, which I have emphasized many times before. So with all this excellent R&D team and also our customer service and operation maintenance team, so we can provide 7+24 hours service globally. So which is very I say very convenient for our customers. So anything you would like to know or any problem you have, we can respond immediately. So the third one is what we call the global business positioning and strong suppliers control. As I mentioned, we have like global IDC resource, and also we have built very good relationships with our suppliers because we have sold many mining machines, so we have a very considerable amount of purchase amount as well. So the upstream suppliers have a really good relationship with us because we are a very important customer for them as well. This control or this partnerships can ensure our supply chain stability and also reduce our cost. The last one is application-oriented business strategy and the incomparable industry resource. As I mentioned before, we are really ambitious to go together with Filecoins to make such network to be applied in the real business scenario. So that's why we strive to build the best infrastructure for IPFS and the Filecoin network, and to push the massive commercial applications of decentralized storage in real life. So that's why we start to cooperate with those cloud service providers like Alibaba Cloud and also Kingsoft Cloud, Qinu Cloud, because we are really we are really trying to make it. We're really trying to focus on the application side and try to make it be possible to be used in the commercial life. So that's all of my presentation. If you have any question, feel free to ask. And thanks for Filecoin team. Again, congratulations to the successful liftoff. Yes. Yes, guys, feel free to ask if you have any question or if you have anything you would like to discuss.
Yes, Steve, one question. What advice would you have for other miners, especially new miners just starting?
I'm sorry, could you please ask again?
What advice would you have for other miners, especially new miners just starting?
Oh, okay. That's a very good That's a very good questions. Advice I have for especially the new joiner, uh, I would say first of all you have to really understand the economy of Filecoin's ecosystem, because it's very helpful to uh, uh, let's say by understanding the economy of Filecoin's ecosystem, it helps you to calculate your investment, to start the business, and also your potential returns. And by knowing you can make more better budget or better predictions, which is very helpful. And also, I would like to say, please to join the Filecoin Slacks and also GitHubs, all these communities, because the Filecoin teams have shared their information very quick, and a lot of helpful information can be found in this on the Slack and the GitHub. That's basically what I suggest at the very beginning. And of course, if you have for those beginners, if you have any technology or product questions, you are also very welcome to reach us, to reach IPFSUNION. We are also very willing to share our experience and also the some business or technology solutions to help you to get started very quickly. Yes.
Great. Thank you very much.